Sunshine Coast Council's vision is to be the most sustainable region, vibrant, green and diverse, serving community and positioned for the future. A 20-year blueprint for sustainable economic growth has been developed by Sunshine Coast Council with leading businesses and industry groups. As a pathway to the new economy, the region seeks investment opportunities associated with 7 high-value industries. One of those high-value industries is clean technology, Cleantech. These are economically viable products, services and processes that harness renewable materials and energy sources, dramatically reduce the use of natural resources, and cut or eliminate emissions and wastes. The clean technology industry generates $214 million in economic activity, employs over 1,700 people, is a model for sustainability in Australia, and is actively supported by the Cleantech Industry Sunshine Coast Local Association. To find out more, visit invest.sunshinecoast.qld.gov.au to become a part of our vibrant, green, diverse region.
Council is powering our future with sunshine at the Sunshine Coast Solar Farm. At its peak, 15,000 kilowatts of electricity is generated from the sun and fed into the Energex network, making it the first local government in Australia to offset 100% of its electricity consumption across all its facilities and operations. Based on today's electricity costs, over a 30-year period, the solar farm will provide $22 million in savings after all costs. Sunshine Coast Council has proactively taken control of its electricity supply to combat rising costs, provide its facilities and operations with renewable energy, and help the Sunshine Coast region transition to a clean energy economy. Sunshine Coast Council.
Welcome to Sunshine Coast Airport and thank you for flying local. Sunshine Coast Airport is one of the fastest growing and most sustainable airports in the country. The airport shares in Council's vision to become Australia's most sustainable region. In 2014, we were proud to be the first airport in Australia to reach Level 2 carbon accreditation under the Airport Carbon Accreditation Program. In March 2017, Sunshine Coast Airport became the first Australian airport to achieve Level 3+ neutrality. Some of our environmental initiatives include collecting and utilising rainwater, installing Dyson hand dryers in our bathrooms to minimise waste paper usage, investing in an upgraded air conditioning system that operates in sync with flight schedules to reduce our electricity consumption, introducing 3-way bin systems including general waste, recyclable and compostable compartments to help reduce our contribution to landfill, and the installation of a solar-powered on-site composting apparatus, or OSCAR, to convert our food waste into high-nutrient compost for use on-site. The Sunshine Coast Airport team is working hard to reduce our carbon footprint and are proud to be a part of the Sunshine Coast's clean tech industry.
Through the use of innovative technologies, Aussie Clean have been designing and building custom-made sewage systems on the Sunshine Coast for more than 30 years. Providing a range of wastewater treatment solutions for domestic, marine and commercial applications, and delivering reliable, environmentally sustainable products for all customers. The Aussie Clean Sewage Treatment System offers an endless supply of treated water which is safe to reuse throughout gardens and other agricultural purposes. Aussie Clean commercial systems are custom designed and fully transportable via trucks, serving large remote communities, work camps for mining projects and high-density living resorts. Aussie Clean's overall success stems from its commitment to research and innovation. Aussie Clean is now a global leader in sewage treatment, with its products being exported to a number of international markets from right here on the Sunshine Coast.
Rockcoat is a multi-award-winning Australian company recognised as a leader in the development, manufacture and distribution of decorative architectural coatings, pre-blended cement renders and patching compounds, environmentally safe paints and energy-efficient building systems. Their manufacturing plant is the first of its type in Australia, using an innovative gravitation system to preserve and reuse the water found in the natural product. This environmentally friendly process means water usage and other resource inputs within the business are minimised. Rockcoat has won many awards, including the Chamber of Commerce and Industry Queensland EcoBiz 3-Star Partner, the Banksia Sustainability Awards, Living Smart Awards, the Queensland Business Review Environmental Sustainability Award, and the Premier's Award for Leadership in Business Sustainability. Rockcoat has established itself as a recognised market leader across Australia in delivering innovative construction and architectural products right here from the Sunshine Coast region. Rockcoat is another true local success story, doing great things from the Sunshine Coast.
Latronics is one of Australia's top renewable manufacturers, leading the way in design and innovation. Operating for over 30 years, Latronics have invested their success into the Sunshine Coast, bringing together lifestyle, work and sustainability. The Latronics facility is located 5 minutes from the beach. It's powered by a 74 kilowatt solar system and has 150 kilolitres of water storage and grows its own food for its staff. Latronics have invested millions in research and development on the Sunshine Coast, creating renewable energy solutions suited for the Australian market.
Sunshine Coast Airport welcomes the world's first 100% solar-powered commercial composting system, the Oscar Bitesize. The airport's organic waste becomes high-quality compost. Food scraps, packaging, cardboard, paper and garden waste are all sustainably managed. Oscar Bitesize uses saltwater battery technology. It's silent, odourless and powered by the sun. Oscar Bitesize is designed, developed and manufactured here on the Sunshine Coast by WDU Sustainability, providing locally built systems to compost waste on site on domestic and industrial scale projects. WDU Sustainability chooses to invest in the Sunshine Coast Cleantech industry in a growing region with a sustainable focus.
Envirocom specialises in environmental training, education, research and planning services throughout Australia and chose the Sunshine Coast as one of their bases. Their passion for sustainable outcomes, community empowerment, quality data collection, assessment and efficient resource recovery is a natural fit for the Sunshine Coast region. Knowledge is power and Envirocom's clients need the most efficient, cost-effective and environmentally sustainable solutions for each situation. Envirocom provides outcomes for the environment and their clients.
Imperium Lighting chose the Sunshine Coast as a base to develop and market their innovative products because the region is a great place to do business. Their lights can be found everywhere, from mines in the Canadian Arctic to the largest oceanariums in the world, the Outback and even Bondi Beach. Imperium Lighting is at the forefront of LED lighting design and manufacture. Their mission is to protect our planet and improve our quality of life by presenting an efficient, green and safe lighting alternative.
The Sunshine Coast is again taking a nation-leading position with Australia's first high-tech automated waste collection system for a CBD in the new Maroochydore city centre. Waste will be transported from commercial buildings and apartments at up to 70 kilometres per hour through a 6.5 kilometre system of underground vacuum pipes beneath Australia's newest city centre. Buildings in the new CBD may include up to 3 waste inlets for organic, recyclable and general waste. This is just one of the ways the new Maroochydore City Centre will be one of the smartest cities in Australia and help the Sunshine Coast region to transition to a clean energy economy. Sunshine Coast Council is investing in the future of its community with a vision to become Australia's most sustainable region, healthy, smart and creative.
Cleantech industries are a major focus of investment on the Sunshine Coast. Businesses looking to be part of the Cleantech community are finding great industry support from Cleantech Industries Sunshine Coast. Cleantech Industries Sunshine Coast, CISC, is a membership-based hub connecting eco-friendly businesses, government and community. CISC promotes the benefits of innovative, sustainable choices for people, planet and profit. Supporting the local cleantech economy to grow ensures a sustainable, strong and prosperous future unrivalled anywhere in Australia.